This is the second part of Change the Voice. In this part, we are going to learn how we can transform or change any active voice sentence into passive voice sentence. So first, there is the type of sentence is imperative sentence. So what is actually imperative sentence is? Now listen carefully. If any sentence start with main verb, if any sentence start with main verb, so that is the imperative sentence. For example, now look at that sentence. Open the door. This sentence start with the main verb open. So if any sentence start with main verb, so that is imperative sentence, and in imperative sentence there always given order, or there could be done any request to do something. So any sentence that is start with the main verb, here is the main verb open. So if any sentence start with the main verb, so that sentence is the imperative sentence. So how we can transform any active voice imperative sentence into passive voice? So there is formula of this for these sentences. Formula is let object be V3. It means third form of the verb, past participle of the verb. Then RS. RS, it means rest of the sentence or remaining sentence. So using this formula, we can transform any imperative sentence, active voice imperative sentence into passive voice imperative sentence. Now look at here. Open the door. In this sentence, first we have to identify this sentence is imperative sentence. This sentence is related to tense sentence, this sentence is related to interrogative sentence, or this sentence is related to modal auxiliary sentence. So, this sentence start with main verb, so this is the imperative sentence, and if you want to transform any active voice imperative sentence into passive voice imperative sentence, so this formula we need to use for that. So first write let at the starting of passive voice sentence. Then we have to write main object. So in the last part I have told you how we can identify any main object of that sentence. For that we need to ask question of what to the main verb. Main verb is open. Then we are going to ask question. What is opening? We get the answer, the door. What is opening? The door is opening. So that object, main object, we have to write in front of let, the door. Then after that, according to the formula, take the B in front of the main object. Then take the V third form of verb or past participle of the main verb. Main verb is open. So what is the third form? Open. Open. Then we have to write rest of the sentence, any remaining sentence. If remaining sentence is there, so we have to write that is in front of it. But in this sentence there is no remaining sentence, so write full stop. Let's take another example. Give him now. So this is the sentence. First, we need to identify this sentence is imperative sentence, according tense, interrogative sentence, or model auxiliary sentence. So if any sentence start with the main verb, so that is the imperative sentence, and this sentence start with main verb give. So this is the imperative sentence. And if you want to change any imperative active sentence into imperative passive sentence, so we have to use this formula. So first, at the starting of the passive voice sentence, we have to write let. Then we have to write main object in front of let. For that, we need to identify main verb, main object from this sentence. So to identify main object from that sentence, we have to ask question to the main verb of that sentence. So main verb is given. So we are going to ask question what? What is giving? We cannot get answer here. We cannot get any answer here by asking the question what. Then ask the question by whom. Whom is giving? So we get answer him. So here him, it is the accusative form of personal pronoun, and accusative form is the object. So if you write this, at the starting of the sentence, so as the subject of the sentence, so we have to write the nominative form of it. Let he. Hence nominative form is he. Then after that write the then witherd, given, then remaining sentence. Remaining sentence is now. So in this way we can transform any sentence of active voice into passive voice of imperative sentence. Let's take another example. Ask a question to the teacher. So this sentence start with the main verb ask. So this is the imperative sentence, and if you want to transform or change imperative sentence, active voice imperative sentence in the passive voice imperative sentence, so we have to use this formula. According to this formula, at first we have to write let, then we have to identify main object from this sentence. So to identify main object of that sentence, we have to ask question to the main verb of the sentence. Main verb is ask. So ask the first question by what? What is asking? What is asking? A question is asking. So we get the main object, write that main object in front of let. Then after that use be according to the formula. Then the third form of the verb. Third form of the verb is ask. Then rest of the sentence, remaining sentence. What is remaining? To the teacher. So in this way we can transform any sentence, any imperative active voice sentence into passive voice sentence. So in this way I think you understood how we can transform these sentences. This side I am going to give you few sentences. You have to solve those sentences and send your reply as soon as possible on our group. Make tea for my friends. Show me today. Collect the old papers from the streets. Kill them there. Write a letter to your father. So these are the 5 sentences. You have to solve this sentence as soon as possible and send your reply, your answers on our group. So students, this part ends here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.